Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Ashley, and if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad that you're here. Bienvenidas otra vez a mi canal. And if this is your first time here, be sure you do subscribe down below, and be sure to turn that bell notifications to get notifications every time I upload a new video. And if you are on social media, be sure you do follow me on Makeup Artist 27. That is Makeup Artist 27, and that will be Facebook and Instagram, Makeup Artist 27. And if you do like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and let's just go ahead and get started on today's video. Alright guys, so I came up with the idea of showing you my collection of Jeffree Star. Since I did this whole makeup with Jeffree Star, I decided to show you everything that I have, from all the palettes to the lipsticks, highlighters, glosses, and stuff like that. We're just gonna go ahead and get started with the palettes. So of course we have the beautiful Blood Sugar, and it's right here, you guys seen it, and this is the one I did this makeup with. So if you want to see that, make sure you do click here. So I'm gonna put it here for you guys, but here is this palette. I love this palette. So we got the Blood Sugar. I'm gonna try and go as fast as I can to show you everything, okay? I don't want it to be a long video. All right, I also have the Morphe Jeffree Star, and if you do like any of these palettes, let me know so I can do another look with it, because I haven't used these palettes since I actually reviewed them, a lot of them. Then I have the Blue Blood, which I still have. I only use once, so I would like to create another look with this palette. It's like blue. Then I have Thirsty, which I got in one of my mystery boxes, and I haven't used this one. It will actually be perfect for now because it's summertime, almost summertime, so that's another one. I also have Peppermint Frost, which is highlighter palette. And of course, you know, I have the Conspiracy from Shane and Jeffree, which is a beautiful palette. I use a lot of the colors when I actually reviewed it. So if you haven't seen most of the palettes, I do have a video with. A lot of them I don't. This one, Alien, I got in my mystery box, and I still haven't used this one yet. I don't know how I'm gonna use it because it's like so like dark colors. I'm not a dark person color, like right here these are like the dark colors, but let's see when I'm gonna use it. Then we have Jawbreaker. I love this palette too because it's like all like summer colors. It's such a beautiful palette. Such a beautiful palette. See, I do have another one. Let's see. Hi. I also have Bloodlust, which is his latest collection. I also have a video on that, so if you haven't seen it, go and find it. I think that's it. I think that's it for Jeffree Star palettes. If I forget one, let me know, because I think that's it. Let me see. I took a picture the other day with all the palettes, so let me see. Oh no, I do have other ones. And then we have the mini palettes. We have Mini Controversy and Mini Breaker. I still haven't used none of them. This one I got in a mystery box, and this one I actually bought. Actually, I can't wait for that green to be there. I'm gonna buy the single one. And that's it and that is it for palettes. So most of them I have. I think I'm missing like 1 or 2 from like his first ones, because Thirsty, it's one of the first ones, but I'm missing like 1 or 2 more. I'm not sure which ones though. Let's go into the highlighters. Okay, highlighters I have from like, I have this, I have Mint Condition, which is like this one. I never use this one. It's like, I don't know when I'm gonna use that. But then I have Mystery Frost. I think this is like from a Halloween box, because it's like black in the back. I have Princess Cut. It's also, all these highlighters, they all came in boxes. So if you know, I always get the mystery boxes if you haven't seen or noticed, or if you're new to my channel. I also have this one, Supreme Caramel Kiss. That's a beautiful color too. That's one of them. Then I have this one. This one I actually order, or no, I didn't order this. This I got in a box, which is the Liquid Frost, and this is the color Heat Wave. And I think that's it for highlighters. Then I have like this the lipsticks like this, the bullet, but I think it's bullet lipsticks, I think he calls them. I have Popsicle Dream. I think I got this in like in a Valentine, if I recall. Then I have this one, which is Jawbreaker. It's probably from his collection. I also have all the lipsticks that he came out with, Morphe. Those are all the Morphe ones. And I have 3 lip gloss in here. I have Succulent, and I have Iridescent Throne, and then I have, this thing is so little, Diet Freeze. These beautiful ones. Yeah, that's funny. I have like a pink, a purple, and blue. Lastly, we have lipsticks, guys. I'm gonna show you all the lipsticks I have. So I decided to buy one of his standing things because I have so many lipsticks from him, and I was like, it would be cute if I just have it all together in the little standing. So I do have, I put the purple ones in here from his Bloodlust collection. So they're all here. I think they're all from there, but there's a few little ones in there. I have the Morphe ones in here. I might be missing some, I'm not sure. Oh, the Shane collection. Shane collection is right here. And then some of them are like, what is it? I got them in mystery boxes. Some of them I bought it. Like this ones, I think it's from Jawbreaker. This one. The ones with the cap, I think those are from Jawbreaker. It seems like it. Yeah, so that is it. A couple of them are like the glittery type of component, and I think it's the holiday ones, if I'm not mistaken. But I don't have a lot of empty spots anymore, but I think that's it. I'm not gonna buy another one because I don't have the space for it. But this is my little standing thing of lipsticks. And I have, let's see how many lipsticks we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 30, then 33. So like 40 lipsticks. Let's say like 40 lipsticks. I'm not saying that I have that. Okay, mostly like 40 or more of only Jeffree Star. That's insane. And I also have the Morphe and Jeffree brushes. I bought those. And the Morphe X Jeffree. Yeah, and I think that's it, guys. It's not a long video. I just wanted to show you guys my little Jeffree Star collection. I know I'm missing a lot of things. I don't have everything, of course, because it's so much makeup. And I just started following Jeffree like 2 or 3 years ago, actually. And I would say like 3 years, 4. Yeah, 3 years, maybe 4, that I started actually like buying his makeup. Like I wasn't buying his makeup or anything like that. So that is my makeup collection of Jeffree. I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys my makeup collection. One of my next video is gonna be my makeup palette collection. I want to show you all my palettes, and I want to count them and see how many palettes we have. That's gonna be so much, but yeah, that's a lot. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys have. Let me know what you guys are waiting for to get. Yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope to see you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. We're on road to 5K, people. Okay.